Hey everybody, it's me, Hunter, and today we have the No Boundaries 19.3 on a gloomy day, but a nice bright camper. The brand new floor plan, brand new layout. Well, not brand new floor plan, I apologize, but brand new graphics on it. As you'll see here, for all you fans of Nobos, you have the gray right there going down the two-tone fiberglass. That is a new addition. I'll show you these graphics here a little bit before we go on inside. Look at that. Nice little warm goat catching a tan. On the No Boundaries, you have your big old tires there. Let's see here. Let's check out this storage here for you. We got some stuff right in there. Those two boxes right there and there. Those that is an exterior kitchen. It's a hanging grill that goes right here along with a little flip table. So that is a new addition to this floor plan. You have your LED lights on your awning. And if you go here, this is a pretty nifty little camper. You notice you have access to your bunks, and the reason why they do that, not only an escape hatch for your children, but you can take this right here. You can flip it up and it'll snap in over to the left. But as you can see, when you're actually traveling, you got plenty of extra storage space that's easy access from the outside. Plus you got a little curtain there for the kiddies to see out of, something a little nice. But this is a camper I can show you a real quick tour of, show you how a couple things work, then let you go about your day. Now I did leave this here in the sleeping mode. You take these cushions right here, you put them in the middle, you're good to go to sleep an extra guest. Obviously you can put that up with some little metal legs, which they are stowed away right now, and I don't want to get in the way of my techs. You got some storage up here. I'll show you how the glass looks when they're down. You do have heated holding tanks on this, which is a very nice feature for the No Boundaries. Just like the name, that's kind of what they're meant for, the No Boundary. Bunk capacity, 300-pound limits. Big old double wides. You got the bathroom, which for a camper this size actually has got some pretty good size for it. Right there, some decent storage. We all know what goes in there. As you can see here, I am 6'1", just so that way you know kind of how I stand. It's a little bit tight, but you got the sunroom there, or the sun, whatever they call it. So that way you can, do your thing. And right here is your solar charge for your solar panel that's up top to keep your battery trickle charging and alive when you are using this thing, if you're taking it, out somewhere without any power. A little look in the refrigerator. Now this is a Dometic, and most campers know, but there are a lot of new campers out there. That is gas and propane, so you are good to roll. Yeah, and right there are the controls for that. That's what I was looking for. Just put it to an automatic temperature control and you're good to go. You got your microwave and your burners, which the burners look locked up. Let's see here if I can open those. Yeah, pretty fancy. For a small little camper, it's a heck of a deal. Comes in around, I think this one was $20,300. It does have a central vac, so right there. And let's check out this foot sign. I think it's pretty funny that they put this. Wow, I will make your trip more memorable. And then you do this. First time it scared the living bejeebers out of me. You got this TV right here. You can pull out, angle it, so that way you can watch it while you're over there. Or if you're laying down in bed, you're good to go there. And while we're at that, I figured I'd show you how to set this up. I'm going to leave the hand gesture control out of it today because I think in this camper, I think it would actually make the video a little bit worse. Let me see, make sure you can see me here. Let's get a little bit more to the left, shall we? So it's really simple. All you do is just take your hand right here, or really anywhere. You just lift up. As you can see, it is as easy as that. And then for this, just push a little bit, pull, and you are good to go. You are sleeping. But on the rainy days, what's nice about this camper is whether it's just the two of you Or if you're bringing, you know, the kids and all that, you obviously have a couch to sit. On a day like today, you are not going to want to be cramped up in a camper that only offers the bed. Having that couch there is a very handy feature. And you got some extra little stuff right there. Now let me set this back up for you, show you how easy it is to do that as well. You just lift up, there's nothing you have to do, you just push it right into place and it locks. Again, lift up here, just pull right there, and you are good to go. And one of the things that I think is pretty nifty about this guy is right here. I mean, look how deep down that goes. So you can quite literally hang up, you know, any type of pants or anything that you need for that. Plus, if your clothes are scared of the dark, I'll be darned. Looks pretty nice. USB ports down there, your outlets, so you got plenty of places to charge, you know, your iPhones, your Androids, your tablets, your JBL speaker that snaps in right there. And let's see here. So the porch lights, which are right there, you can do it the LED or you can do an amber mode, you know, for when it's at night. But yeah, it's a pretty nice camper, $20,300. If you're digging these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. I know this one is a short one, but it is a smaller camper. But it is one that a lot of people like, a lot of people enjoy. Take you around a quick walk around here. Oh, you know what? Actually, if I still got your attention, you didn't leave on the outside like so many of you do. Got your power awning right there. Propane in your battery. And then right here, which a lot of campers are missing, just your battery disconnect, which may seem small, but man, is that nice to have. Here are your water connections, your fresh water and your city. So whether you're drinking it or showering in it, you are good to go. Tire shine does come for free. And here are those graphics again, which you'll notice they look a lot sharper than even your early year 2021s. You got your cable satellite hookup right there. Spare tire. And right up here you can put the Furrion observation camera. If you guys wish to install that, it runs you about 550 smackaroos. I don't know why I said about. It does run you 550 bucks. But everybody, I appreciate you watching. I thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, the No Boundaries 19.3, 20,300. Make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you that took the time to watch it this far. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you guys.